Electron configuration. We will only be discussing the electron configuration for the first three shells. The first shell consists of a maximum of 2 electrons, then followed by the second shell, which consists of a total of 8 electrons. Finally, we have the third shell, which also has a maximum of 8 electrons. When a shell is filled, the electrons move to the next shell. The electrons in the final shell are called valence electrons. For our example, we will be using magnesium. Magnesium has 12 electrons, 2 on its first shell, 8 on its second shell, and 2 on its valence shell or outer shell. The electron configuration would be written like this. It would have 2, 8, and then 2, because it has 2 on its first shell, 8 on its second shell, and 2 on its final shell.
Our second example is oxygen. Oxygen has a total of 8 electrons. It has 2 in its first shell and 6 in its outer shell, so 6 valence electrons. Its electron configuration is 2, 6, as the first shell has 2 and the second shell has 6.
Hydrogen and helium are the elements that have only one shell.
The elements that have 2 shells are lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. The elements that have 3 shells are sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, and argon.